In this video, I will teach you how to transfer character AI to SillyTavern, and that's going to be quite easy. You can see SillyTavern is basically a large language model front end for power users. So if you want to develop different type of language models, you can simply integrate your different type of APIs and different features around your SillyTavern. So now it is loading up, and what you need to do is simply to transfer your character AI to SillyTavern. You are going to be needing to use API, and you can see we have individual and group chats. So it is also chat-based LLM system. You have your extensions as well, and which is going to be providing you even more features. So you can head over to character dot AI, basically AI API, and search in here. That you can see we got our platforms chat with HTTP API, so you can head over to this since this is their API section, the hypertext transfer protocol system. Head over to this, and in here you can find your APIs. So you can see now this is basically an API, so you need to chat in order to get the API. So simply head over to chat and tell it to provide me API, and just hold on. Once it does, you're going to be copying this, and you can introduce this basically Python framework onto your SillyTavern. So basically that's the base idea, and I hope this was informative. If it was, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned, see you in the next video.